Today, I want to show you the New Year celebration scrapbook set from Reminisce. We're going to try and carry some of the collection kits. Some people ask for them. So this spring lineup will be our first ones. This collection kit, you get 2 of each paper. This is 1 paper, 2, 3, 4. It shows you the fronts and the back of each paper. So you get 8 sheets of paper plus the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, all in one set. Now let's show you all these separately. All right, this one here is called New Year Gold. It's kind of got a bokeh or confetti mix kind of with the stars and hexagons. You can put a picture right here in the center. Look how pretty that is. The back side, okay, this is perfect for photo frames. You could put mini pictures in each of these, and you kind of have your back photo mat already set up. Love this. Gold fireworks. And none of this necessarily has to be for New Year's. The parties, weddings, graduations. I love the gold fireworks. And look at the pretty gold bokeh. Very pretty. Champagne toast. This would be another good one for a wedding celebration. More, you kind of got the gold fireworks with the bokeh also at the bottom. Gold celebration. Kind of looks like a stained glass window there a little bit. And the back side has beautiful gold balloons. A 50th birthday, 50th anniversary. Look how pretty that would be. Okay, now I've saved the best for last. It is the sticker sheet. This is a first for them on how they did the sticker sheet. Okay, I love these. Look how many quote stickers you get on a sheet. Oh my goodness. They're beautiful. And they're clear background. So you just, let's peel in here. And of course, when I'm trying to do this, it's not wanting to peel. There we go. See there? You have a clear background. And it's stuck back down. Super easy. Beautiful stickers. And there's so many on this sheet. You would have New Year stickers for many, many years. Because they're not year specific. So, this is the New Year celebration set from Reminisce. Check them out, countrycroppers.com. Thank you.